So, good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It is December 30 here in the Philippines. One day, one day before New Year. Okay, but we're not going to end it without unboxing our brick number 2 for the latest Marvel HeroClix set, Strange Tales. Okay, so this particular brick break will be co-facilitated by me, okay, and of course headed by Lyndon, who got us a case of the set, okay, from Las Vegas, Nevada, US of A. Okay, so I'm gonna remove my spotlight and share our screen of participants. We have 12 souls for brave souls for this break break. Okay. Jasper, Angel Ward, Angel Ward, Angel Ward, Larry, Heinz, Tomato, Ketchup, Leodge, Chito, Legna, and number 12 is si Paring Pepe because it's Jose Rizal's day as well, holiday here in the Philippines. Jose Rizal is our national hero. Okay, so the last lot is reserved to him. He who shall be named Pepe. So, as always, we're going to randomize the list of participants. And I'm just gonna do courtesy message kay Joel. Pasok na. Active siya 43 minutes ago. Anyway, so it's recorded naman. So we're gonna randomize it. And as always, slots number 1 to 6 will be the back of the brick, left to right, and slots number 7 to 12 will be the front of the brick, left to right. Okay, so we also identified 3 super rares as our bounty. Okay, so by the way, this will be our last time that we will have bounty super rares. Come 2026, the bounties will move to the rares, the rare figures. Okay? I think Joseph reminded me na mas maganda pag rare para at least even if you get a rare, you still get a chance for bounties. Okay? So we're gonna implement that 2026. Okay, but for now, for our last break of 2025, Bounty A is Dracula Super Rare. You will get the blue set. Okay. Bounty B is Magic, nominated by uh, Legna. Okay, I'm not gonna mention your your name, your Zoom name here because I might be banned. So Legna KL
Okay,
nominated
understandable.
Magic. Yeah. This will be the black set. Okay, a couple of from the Black Panther set and an LE Black Panther. Okay. And the Bounty C nominated by Joel is Franken Castle. This is the white set, okay, together with Gingerbread Man because it is still part of holiday season. Okay, so let me go ahead and shuffle our names. Let's roll 2 dice to determine how many. Okay, 10. 10 times to shuffle it. Okay, this is our names here. So let's randomize it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So the list would be Leodge, Angel Ward, Heinz, Legna, Larry at number 6, Chito, Jasper, Pepe, Angel Ward, Ketchup, and Tomato for the 11 and 12. Okay, so let me bring that back to our PowerPoint. Okay, so we can easily track it up. Wow. There we go. So just remember your order, but don't worry, it will be ano naman. Ketchup and tomato never get separated. That's true. I don't know if that's coincidence or just it might be coincidence. Anyway, so I'm gonna switch over to Lyndon's video. Okay. So I'm gonna pin him for everyone. Just a reminder, this will be again brought by Lyndon, brought by Lyndon back to the Philippines, January 5. Okay, so we can probably start shipping it January that week, and I'm gonna be in Papilink store on January 10, Saturday. Okay, sige. Let's jump into it because it's early morning in Lyndon and it's night here in the Philippines. Number one, left. Oh yeah, the legacy
Left.
card will be ano as well. Left. Okay. The legacy card will be raffled off at the end of the brick break. Good luck to everyone. May we did not get a prime in the last break, so hopefully we get a prime for this particular break. Okay. Sure tayo ba na Keisha Lindon? Or not
Ha?
sure? Sure ba tayo na
Not
Keisha?
sure. Tingnan
Not
natin.
sure? Tingnan natin. Okay. But it
Ah,
was, kasi ano siya, yung box itself was open, no? The case box.
ah,
Okay. Anyway, so left, okay, that is number one is Leonch.
yun. Okay. Good luck.
Good luck.
Lagyan na natin na name.
Ay, teka lang ah. May nag-chat ba? Dududududududududud. Wala naman. Paano makukuha si Orgo? Si Orgo is depende. Pag ano siya eh, yung mga stores lang ang pwede kumuha pag bili nila ng case, pwede silang umorder. Okay? Kaya ano siya, parang buy a case, ang ganyan, item.
Uy, ang aga. Ano yun?
Uy,
May
sino yan?
panel.
Sino yung panel?
Ito.
Tanggalin mo nga sana. Joel got
Uy, parang iba yung panel ah.
Jericho Drum. Oo. Parang
Ano
super
yan?
rare yan. Is that a super rare Kushala?
Parang eh. Oh,
Yeah. That is Jericho Drum panel. Tignan mo nga yung cards, bro. Kasi we got
uy.
Kushala last time.
SR nga, SR.
Oo. I think we got
Kushala.
Kushala last time. Okay. So hopefully it's just a repeat SR. Okay.
Vampire.
Okay.
Kushala.
Kushala, super rare for Joel.
Yeah,
Okay.
Kushala.
Sige. Kaya na, baka parehas yung break natin.
Ulats pagparehas.
Ano ba sabi sa'yo? Wala.
Ah, wala eh. Sinabi ko, basta gusto ko case. Sana
Case.
sabi ko seal.
Oo.
Sabi nila wala daw sila seal kasi and last stock na to eh.
Last stack. Okay, that's fine.
Oo.
Number 2 and 3 is Angel Ward.
Yun.
Lyndon will take a picture of everything and I'll send it in the group as well after the break. 2
Yan na
and
yan.
3 is Ajo. Hey, Chito pala is here. Chito, hello. Happy New Year.
Hmm.
Advance
Okay,
Happy
ito
New
yung dalawa.
Year.
Angel Ward.
Angel Ward.
Nilalamig ako. Ito naman naririnig naman niya, hindi
Uy,
mo naiintindihan ko.
Chito, we can hear you. I'll mute you.
iba. Oh, parang
Chase.
sino to?
Angel Ward, Chase Loki. Congratulations. You got the Chase
Loki
Loki.
yun?
Oh, Loki yan. That's the meta piece of the set. So at least we're sure that it's not the
Anong chase
same.
yun?
Loki. Loki ba?
Ay, oo, Loki nga, Loki.
Loki, Sorcerer Supreme. That's the meta chase. Congratulations, Angel Ward. Finally, you hit it again. Nick Fury,
Nick Fury, Ebony,
Ebony the Cat,
Enchantress,
and Enchantress.
and Doctor Strange.
Doctor Strange common. Okay. Lagyan natin ng reaction na cheers. Tineng! Yun na yun.
Tina ko nga. Ang ganda ng chase.
Oo, si Loki. Mga nakapatong sila sa magic circle eh. They're stepping on magic circles.
Congrats. Congrats kay Angel
Congrats.
Ward.
Maaga ngayon ng chase. Nasa slot number 2. Number 3 is Angel Ward again.
Yep.
At least ibang chase natin. Nakakatakot yung Kushala. Biglang lumabas eh. Oh,
Akala ko nga same eh. Baka same eh. Pero parang hindi naman.
hindi na. Kasi iba na yung chase.
Pero pag same chase, ibig sabihin ano yun? Hindi case yun, no?
Oo.
Pwede ba dalawa
Ito.
chase?
Wala pang nangyari sa set na to.
Doctor
Rare Doctor
Strange,
Strange. Oo.
Frank Drake,
Frank Drake.
Agent. Paano agent?
One agent. Ano to?
Flames. One
Flames
hit.
of the Falcon. One shot.
One shot pala.
And
Mindless.
Mindless One. Tapos may
Ay,
panel
mindless.
siya. May panel siya.
Walang pa. Ay, may panel. May panel.
Ayun. Tingnan mo natin ano yung panel niya. Okay. So meron pa tayong pag-asa mag-prime.
Blue Lion.
Color
Blue
blue.
Lion.
Blue na tiger.
Ay, Tiger
Okay.
pala.
Maganda yan. Si Oshtur ata. Oshtur. Parang ganyan. I'll check the name. Oshtur. Something like that. Okay. Number 4 is Heinz. Okay.
Sino? Si Heinz?
Si Heinz, tingnan natin. Mukhang the streak is ano na. Kasi nakuha na ang chase. But we can still get a prime.
Ano yung magandang prime dito?
Magandang prime. I think all of them are okay naman. But for me personally, si Dark Hulk ang gusto kong prime.
Okay. Yan natin.
Let's check. Or si Dormammu, okay din. Uy, rare. Sino to? Blood something? Bloodstorm. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
That tiger is Hogot. Hogot pala. Hogot.
Pero Bloodstorm.
Bloodstorm.
Bolts of Baltak. Bago to. One
Bolt
shot.
of Baltak. One shots for Heinz.
Oo. Dum Dugam.
Dagan.
Astral Scarlet Witch.
Astral Scarlet.
Nick Fury.
LMD.
Saka si Clea.
And Clea. Okay, that's for Heinz. Number 5 is Legna.
Okay. Congrats, Heinz. Buti hindi ka naka-chase.
Nagya ka.
Puro kanya eh.
Huwag mo kalimutan yung pinapabili ni Heinz, ha? Nagya ka.
Ano na
Okay. Kaya isip mo, baka ba shuffle eh. Ilang pag-uuna pa, no? Yan.
Lagay ko na sa gilid ah.
Lagay mo na.
Ganyan. Yan. Parang hindi na mahulog. Baka mahulog.
Okay. This is Legna. KL.
Careful, don't destroy the box, please.
Don't-
Careful.
Don't destroy pala the box.
Don't destroy.
Hindi,
Yeah.
ano na lang. Yung next box na lang. Kung
Yeah.
destroyed na yan. Next booster. Okay.
Thank you.
Wait,
Iwan
join
sa,
ka pa
iwan
niya.
sa, iwan sa booster.
Oh, sige.
Morbius. Ano ba?
Oh, nice. I got Morbius.
Okay.
Yeah, you got Morbius. Okay.
Bad, I didn't get Franklin Castle. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let's see. That's the...
Uy, Morbius.
Yeah. Awesome.
Doctor Strange.
Doctor Strange. You needed that.
What? Yeah.
Yeah, the common one.
Vampire.
Vampire.
Cat Familiar.
Cat
Familiar.
Familiar.
Astral Doctor Strange.
Astral
Okay.
Strange. Okay.
Ba't may Astral? Para saan yun?
I think that's their spirit form.
Yep. The spirit form.
Okay, sige. Yung isa ni Legna, hindi ko sirain para doon ko lalagay yung combined niya.
Hindi, isa lang siya. One slot lang siya.
One slot lang siya. Lipatan
Basta,
ko na lang yun.
lipatan mo na
Hindi
lang
naman
ha.
sirang-sira yung booster eh.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero yung sa kanya, wag mo sulatan ng ano.
Ay.
Sulatan mo, just get another booster na lang. Tapos ano,
Sige, sige.
oo. Ang sulat mo na
Sige.
sa ilalim, men. Sa ilalim ng booster mo sulatan para
Sa
di halata.
ilalim. Sige, sige.
Oo. Okay, next is Larry, number 6.
Nag-break ko sa dulo.
SR.
Oh, isa pa lang SR natin and no primes
May
yan.
pa ng SR.
That's the
At
Scott Porter.
Layo. SR.
Ito pa rin natin
Sumobra.
Diba? Ano yung sobra?
Sa focus.
Nangyari.
Okay.
Ano yung sa akin? Ano
Larry.
yung sa akin?
Ito pa lang. Bubuksan pa lang.
Okay. Nawala ako.
So, talaga. Ayan na. Uy, Cyclops.
Uy.
Yun na.
Tingnan
Blade.
natin kung sino.
Blade,
Blade.
non-prime.
Is it prime? Non-prime? Non-prime, Blade. The one
Wala
on the
pang
right
prime.
prime.
Wala pang prime.
Rare lang, rare.
Rare
Rare,
Blade.
just there.
Parang.
Yike.
May
Yikes.
wings of Watum.
Yikes.
May one
Winds
shot?
of...
Uy, may one
Winds
shot
of Watum.
ulit. Dalawa na one
Okay.
shot ko.
Okay.
Anong one shot yon?
Winds.
Winds.
Winds of
Wind of
Watum.
Watum.
Parang yun din yung dati ko ah.
Trade na lang. Trade mo na lang yan. Matitrade mo yan.
Okay.
Okay. Kaya next year talaga, rare na yung merong bounty para ano.
Magon Mordo.
Para Mordo,
Fury.
Nick Fury,
Darkhold Redeemer.
okay, Darkhold Redeemer,
Shield Spy.
Shield Spy. Okay, we're done with the first half. We're moving on to the second half, starting with Chito. Chito is here.
Ito na lang kay Legna. Malinis yung mix. Ilipat.
Yeah.
Wala.
Basta ano, ang
Basta
gawin
lahat.
mo, oo. Don't worry, we have
Box lang
boosters.
naman Box.
Oo. Don't worry, we also have boosters naman here. So I can swap it in. Oo.
Ganyan ko na ito.
I can swap it to a clean booster once it gets here.
Ito yung kay Leg.
Yes.
More beef na kanya. Yan. Ito. Malinis yan. Okay. Next ay patalikod pa rin.
Left to
Sino
right.
to?
Yeah, that is
Left to right.
Chito.
Chito.
Number 7. I hope we get a prime.
Ilan pala SR? Isa pa lang, no?
Isa pa lang, si Kushala and Chase Loki are the notables for the first half. Yan na.
Uy, panel ulit. May panel.
Ano. Agatha rare and I see a panel. Okay.
Yung panel I see, kasi walang card to eh.
Papagawa tayo ng card,
yung
guys,
parang-
ha?
Parang
Si-
Robin. Ito yun, no?
Nightmare?
That's Nightmare.
ba yan?
Nightmare.
Nightmare. Okay. We will try to make make cards, yung printable cards for the what you call this? For the panels. Matagal ba nagawa yung Lindon? Yung kay Per Degaton?
Medyo matagal. Mga 1 week.
1 week? Okay lang. Kasi kukontakin ko.
Vampire.
Ibigay mo sa akin yung contact name. Pagawa ko
Sige,
para
Doctor Strange.
mapamigay natin during the Pinoy HeroClix anniversary.
Agatha.
Agatha,
Mindless One.
Okay. Okay, message ako sa'yo para we can hand it over.
Shopee lang yun eh.
Shopee lang.
Shopee lang yun.
Oh. Ikaw nagsabi ng dimensions, ganun?
Hindi. Wala. Sabihin mo, print lang ng card. Kasi kasize to ng mga normal card eh.
Yung mga Magic the Gathering, ganun.
Kasize niya lang eh.
Sige. I-ano mo sa akin, screenshot mo yung Shopee store so I can contact. Numbers 8 is Jasper.
Uy, ikaw yan. Mukha SR ah.
Oh,
Swerte
wala pa
ah.
pala SR. Oh, swerte ang ano ko pwesto ko
Mukha lang, mukha lang.
Mukha lang.
Pero sana rare.
Baka nightmare na naman Hoy,
Uy, sino to?
sino yun? Scarlet Witch. Rare nga. Walang yaka.
Lang yan.
Gusto ko yan. X-Men yan. Si Scarlet Witch.
Scarlet Witch.
I think I have a one shot. Ano yan?
Parang may one shot. Investigator.
Investigator. Nawala si Larry. Nawala si
Dr. Druid.
Dr. Druid.
Scarlet Witch.
Scarlet Witch rare. And
Icy Tendrils of Incatlon.
Icy
Ictalon,
Tendrils.
Ictalon pala.
Ictalon. Okay. Thank you.
Lakas ba
Number
yun? Malakas?
9. Di ko alam. Di ko pa nare-review ang set. Pero usually kasi, I think may malakas na, there's a strong one shot. What you call this? The Crimson Bands of Sitarak. The Images of Econ. Yan ang malalakas per American discussions. Number 9 is Pepe. Number 9 is for Pepe.
Sino to?
Si Pepe. Jose Rizal.
Pepe?
Jose Rizal. Jose
Sino nga
Rizal.
yun?
Jose Rizal Day Message ko sa'yo mamaya.
Lagay ko ng Pepe muna.
Si Pepe. Minessage ko sa'yo, di ba? Hindi ka sumagot Ikaw talaga.
Hindi ko nakita.
Mamaya.
Uy!
Uy!
Sino
Si
to?
Pepe.
Uy!
Palag. Uy!
Doctor Strange na parang
Doctor Prime. That's the Prime. Swerte ni Pepe
Doctor Strange.
Dormammu Prime.
Dormammu Prime. Uy!
Tama ba
Dala
ba?
nyo Dormammu Prime. Tsaka dalawang panel. Oh my God.
Ayun, dalawang panel.
Wala. Na-penetrate ni Pepe.
Astral.
Astral Scarlet.
Doctor
Doctor Strange.
Strange.
Super rare lang. Super rare
Yeah,
lang.
Baron
Rare.
Mordo.
Not
Super
Prime. Not
rare
Prime.
lang pala to.
It's not Prime. It's not Prime. I thought
Not
it was Prime. Super
In
rare
form,
Doctor
it's like a-
Strange.
Pero bakit tatlo lang yung fig? Pero dalawa panel.
Walang card yung mga panel What's the
Bago
panel?
to.
I don't know who that is.
Tanzar.
Tanzar. Okay.
Tanzar.
And akala ko Prime. I thought it was a Prime.
Ano to? Parang ito yung SR.
Jericho
Si
Drum.
Jericho Drum.
AKA
Okay.
Dr. Voodoo.
Dr. Voodoo. I think they were not allowed to use the word voodoo, no? That's why they had to use Jericho Drum.
Yeah, because they don't know Marvel. They don't know who that Jericho Drum is.
Yeah.
Is Dr. Voodoo. But yes,
Yeah.
it's them.
I think it's more of the word voodoo is taboo for I don't know.
Could be.
Yeah, number 10 sige. Kala ko Prime Wala pa tayong Prime
Wala pa nga.
Okay.
Ilan na SR? Dalawa na.
That's the second SR. Okay.
Second, the first one is Kushala.
The number 10 is Angel Ward.
SR.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Oops, what's that?
Parang
Nick Fury? Is that Nick
Nick
Fury
Fury.
SR?
No,
Ghost
no, no.
Rider, Ghost Rider,
Rider.
Ghost Rider,
Yeah.
Ghost Rider,
Rare.
Ghost
Looks like
Rider
rare.
rare. That might be a
One
Nick
of my-
Fury, Nick Fury LMD. That might
LMD.
be.
Yeah.
mindless.
I can't believe
Si
that
Wong.
he got my favorite Ghost Rider.
Baron
You don't have a
Mordo.
Ghost Rider yet?
Ghost Rider.
No.
Ghost Rider.
See? Rider.
Okay.
Ghost Rider.
Yeah, if I get 1
1 even.
KL, I will let you know.
Thank you.
I know you like riders.
Obvious.
And the last two is ketchup tomato.
Okay, Heinz na.
And then don't leave yet because we're gonna raffle our legacy card.
Last two.
Last two. O parang may prime pa rin si Heinz, ha? Nag-i-streak pa rin. Tignan natin.
Oo nga eh.
Mukhang SR tsaka isang prime. Let's see. Heinz?
There it is.
Heinz
And
ay,
No, it's
parang wala
not.
pa.
It's Dormammu.
Dormammu.
Dormammu rare.
Yep.
Nandito
So we
na
don't
yung
have
isa.
a prime. We might not have a
No
prime
prime.
unless it's a super rare prime. It might
Unless
be might be Baron Tracker or the Dormammu super rare prime.
Yep.
Let's see.
Dormammu,
Dormammu,
Agatha,
Astral Agatha,
Dormammu ulit, and
Astral or Dormammu,
si Uma.
the Umar, the unrelenting. And the last booster goes to Tomato. Tomato or tomato? Nag-improve na, may ballpen na.
Oo. Asama siya. So,
Yeah,
Heinz.
tatlo kay Heinz. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Last one.
hopefully it's a super rare prime so that everything is good in the world. Let's see. Only
Nope,
Nick Fury.
SR. Yeah,
SR Nick Fury. Okay.
SR lang, walang prime.
Walang prime. Ano ba? We did not hit it. Yeah. We did not hit any of our bounties. Ano ba? Yeah.
Leia.
Okay. Don't
Sino tong,
worry.
SR niya? Ay,
Nick
si Nick
Fury.
Fury.
Nick Fury. One shots? Wala?
Hannibal King.
Hannibal.
Wala.
Yay.
Wala nang one
We don't have
Ilan
a
one shot?
prime. Okay, so
Yep.
that's the end of our break. So let me just move over and proceed with our randomization once again. So we can see our legacy card. Okay, so we'll roll it once again. How many times? 4. So after 4, this should be 14 times. Then the one on top will get the legacy card. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and Leodge gets the legacy card. Congratulations. Let's see what it is. I move it back to
Okay.
Lyndon.
Check
We hope
natin.
it's one of the big boys, one of the colossals. We hope. Who's that?
Imperial Hydra.
Imperial Hydra. That's the legacy card. Okay, so that goes to Joel's booster. Okay, so again, it is thank you very much, everyone. So our big winner today is Angel Ward with a Loki and ano ba? Super Rare? I think if I'm not mistaken. But again, thank you. Shout out to Lyndon Papilink for this particular big break. Okay, and everyone who participated. And please enjoy tomorrow's New Year's Eve celebration. Okay, keep safe, everyone, and I will see you guys 2026. Bye.